Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix a setting restricted by TikTok to protect your privacy. For example, if you open TikTok and try to upload a video and TikTok shows you the setting which are restricted by TikTok to protect the privacy of their user. For example, if you upload a video on TikTok and after that if you go to settings of the video and you see that there are some settings in TikTok that you have to change that uh, so that viewer or your followers can see your video related to all these settings. And if you change these settings, then there will be these options available. So here you can simply check all these settings. But if you want to simply remove that settings or want to turn off these settings, so how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. First of all, you have to simply go to profile, and in profile what you have to do, you have to go to settings. In settings, what you have to do, you have to click on three lines and privacy, and you have to go to settings and privacy, and after that you have to go to privacy. And here you have to make sure that you have do not turn on the private account, and after that you also have to turn on the activity status, and after that you can simply select comments and you have to allow the comments to everyone. And moreover, you can also check for mention and tags, and next go for direct message and story. And you can also go for the duet setting, which means who can do duet with your video. So this way you can simply change all these settings on TikTok. But if the problem is still there, then you can again open TikTok, and after that you have to go to profile. In profile, what you have to do, you have to go to three lines. In three lines you have to go to settings and privacy, and you have to scroll down until you find the option of report a problem. So simply you have to report that problem to TikTok team so that they can solve it for you. So hope you have liked this video. If you can get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.